Hi, it's Lorna here, Fraser C Robb. I'm going to take you through this Mountfield HP425 lawnmower. 16-inch width of cut, so nice compact lawnmower for small gardens. Good powerful Honda engine. Large grass box at the back here. So a very good lawnmower for smaller gardens, small compact gardens, for this Mountfield HP425. This Mountfield has a drive system, has no drive on it. So to start it, you just pull the bar down, pull, and then just push. So just a push lawnmower, hand-propelled lawnmower from Mountfield. This Mountfield has a grass collection indicator to tell you when the grass box is full, and also has height adjustment here as well. Easy to empty lawnmower here, and this has a mulch plug included within this lawnmower. You just take the plug and put it into the hole and clip it in.